Namaste everyone. Today let us know about Bala. Botanical name Sida cordifolia. Family Malvaceae. Synonym Vatyalaka. Rasapanchaka are Rasa, Madura Rasa, Guna, Snigdha and Guru Guna, Vipaka, Madura Vipaka, Virya, Shita Virya. And its Doshagnata is Vata Pitta Shamaka. Karma, Balya, Kantikara, Grahi, Vrishya, Ojovardaka, Ayurvardaka, Brahmana, Shotahara, Rasayana and Ridya. And its Rogagnatas are Vatavyadi, Karshya, Daurbalya, Raktapitta, Vatarakta and Mutra Roga. Amaika Prayoga in Vatavyadi Bala Taila. In Madatyeja Trishna, water processed with Bala. And in Sleepada, milk processed with Bala. Part used is Mula. Matra, Kvata 50 to 100 ml, Churna 3 to 6 grams, Swarasa 10 to 20 ml. Formulations Bala Taila, Kshira Bala Taila, Balarishta, Bala Guducyadi Taila, Balashwagandha Lakshadi Taila.